Hi, good morning, Alex here. Today I'm going to address one of the common questions that people they have. Alex, I need to make $100,000. I have to buy a new car, a new Tesla, the new brand model, or I have to pay, my wife is spending a lot, stuff like that. Therefore, I'm going here to refer to facts, always, unlike scammers on the web. So be very aware of scammers on the web because you can lose everything. So this is very, very, very important because as today you find lots of misinformation and scammers trying to deceive and sell all kind of stuff on social media. It is very dangerous to navigate on social media. So, to address your question, the answer is extremely simple. You just visit this website, and for example, if you missed to play one of the recommendations, you click here on replays, and if you don't want to spend much money, you click on stocks, okay? Because, for example, Tesla is more expensive of premium stocks, so you click on stocks, or even you can click on low cost content, even better for you. It's basically free. So I'm going to click here on stocks. You need $100,000 profit guaranteed. So I'm talking about things that they are absolutely guaranteed with price targets and so on, clear instructions, also teaching you how to invest in the market, so everything included. And I'm not referring here to videos, 1 hour long or 2 hours long. No, I'm referring to things that, as you can read it here, the definition of a genius is taking the complex and making it simple. However, it is not complete because then this sentence to be complete, it had to add that it has to work, okay? So you are going, for example, here you have investment process in John Deere or Okta, NIO, the Chinese company that no one wanted to invest in. But, for example, you have it here, buy now, the next Peloton ahead of earnings, okay? So, by clicking here, you click here, alright? And this, by the way, this content, it is published in real time, but then you can replay it or buy it later on because the content can be utilized for a long period of time, okay? So you need to make $100,000, you have it here, the content, you insert your email address, you click on the button, you listen to the content. If you missed the publication date of the content, well, that is not my concern, but like I said, the content, it is valid, it is there for you to utilize it, and I'm referring to one example because if you go through here, if you click here, you have probably 100 examples, okay? So, for example, you want to make millions of dollars in a complex company like the case of Amazon with 1% accuracy, you find it here, okay? So you just have to go to premium stocks and you are going to find Amazon. I'm just responding to the question, I need to make $100,000. So I already in fact responded, the company responded to this question because they published it on the news precisely for people, and people, they responded by buying the content, okay? So I'm responding once again to responses that they were already given to people, and so people or use it or they don't use it. That is entirely their problem. It is certainly not mine. Mine is just to make the content available. Since the content is the same content distributed to institutions, pension funds, and so on, okay? So you find it here on this website. And with this, I responded to your question how to make $100,000, and probably within a few days or one day, you are going to get it because, like I said before, it is 100% guaranteed. It has been always. Thank you, bye.